Not gonna happen again. Not cooperating with me here. It is so rusted up that it won't even catch on the threads properly. Probably have to take a wire brush. There we go. I got it. You take your time with these rusty ones. This is a swamp bike. Even right now, I just took it off and just, same size? No, they are not. This is a swamp bike. You see me loosening those bolts on the back of this bicycle, this tire, wheel, Tire's the rubber part, wheel's the actual metal piece. This is a rim or a wheel. This is the tire, right? Inside's the inner tube. But you've seen me loosening these, and I'd take my time, and that's the first time, what you guys seen is the first time I touched this with a wrench. But what you didn't see me do is spray it with PB Blaster. I think this is PB brand. This is Blaster. I use this on cars and everything else. It works really good at busting up rust and making it so you can get things loose without breaking them. And the whole goal of this is to see if I can't make this bike work again. Not this bike, this is the wheel and rim, right? But that bike we found pretty much in a under a tree off in the, where did you find it at?
Over there.
Where at? And over there. I'm not going to show them everything.
Down in the field.
So down in a field, we bought this property and we find this bike just laying there, and ironically enough, that's what I do for a business, is fix bikes. And so to me, this is a gem. So long as the frame isn't rusted out. I didn't see any structural damage in it. There's some structural damage, but I mean, I would feel comfortable still riding. That's the only damage I see, is a dent in the frame. I mean, it could compromise the frame. I'm not going to take it on a downhill race or anything and push it to its limits, because it most likely will break if you do that. Besides, it's a department store bike. It's not a high-end bike, and so don't push your luck. It's got some other wheels with it. That's the front rim that goes to the bike, and that's one that was just laying next to him. That wheel, let's see if we can see it. Get in on the hub here. Oops. And it's so rusted. I don't know if you can see that. It's so rusted, I don't think I would trust that to hold my weight. It might break and dump you on your nose. So, but you can see the moss. I tried not to clean this bike up. I still might be able to repair this seat and still use the seat, even though it literally is, it's got moss growing on it. I mean, you know. So, alright. Thanks for watching. I am going to restore this bike to a usable condition. I don't know if I'll leave it in the, 18 speed. Is that what it says it is? You can barely read what it is. I think it says 18 speed somewhere on it. I think that's what that used to say, is 18 speed. But maybe it's on the back. Let's look. There it is. 18 speed. Those are just stickers. But this right here, once we get under that dust cap, that might be a real treat to try to get this crank off of there. The pedals are hamburger, obviously. Look at it, just pounded to death. That one might be usable, but I'm going to put some good quality pedals on here. You can see it's all rusted on there. That is some dirt and moss, but the rust is all through this bike. So, alright, thanks for watching. And if you want to see this bike finished, I might even do a paint job on it. I don't like this red. It's the frame I'm after, so thanks.